Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab. In this video, we shall explore the filter function in Microsoft Excel. The filter function allows you to extract specific data from a dataset based on conditions that you define. Instead of manually typing or applying filters or copying rows that meet certain criteria, the filter function automatically returns only the relevant data. Even better, the results update dynamically whenever the source data changes, making your analysis faster and more efficient. Using a car sales dataset, we will demonstrate how to use the filter function step by step. You will learn how to filter data using a single condition, apply multiple conditions where all criteria must be met, and also filter data where any one of the several conditions is satisfied. Finally, we shall see how the filter function can be combined with the sort function to organize the filtered results in a meaningful way. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to use the filter function to quickly extract and analyze data in Excel. So, let's get started.
Filter function. The filter function in Excel is one of the dynamic array functions that lets you extract data based on conditions you specify. Instead of manually applying filters or copying subsets of data, you can use this formula to return exactly the rows or columns that meet your criteria, and the results update automatically if the source data changes. Syntax. Equals filter array include if empty, array the range or array to filter. Include a boolean, true/false, array that defines which rows/columns to return. If empty, optional. Value to display if no results match. We shall demonstrate the filter function on a car sales dataset. The dataset is enclosed within the red border. We shall start first with filtering the data using a single criteria. Let us define out the data for the salesman omit. Go to cell A25. Input the formula as shown on the screen. We have data filtered for the salesman named omit. Now we shall demonstrate filter using multiple criteria where all the criteria will have to be fulfilled. Go to cell A31. Input the formula as shown on the screen. We have the data filtered based on fulfillment of both the criteria. Now we shall filter the data, fulfilling any of the multiple criteria. We are filtering the data based on specific name of the manufacturer or specific sales region. Input the formula as shown on the screen in cell A37. We find the dataset is filtered on the basis of the fulfillment of either of the criteria set by us. Now we're going to show a demonstration of combining sort function with filter function. Input the formula as shown on the screen in cell A49. Here we have sorted the data on the basis of the name of the salespersons.
Is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find a video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.